Release the puppies. So the one with the little white on his back, that's Avalanche or Teddy. We've been doing Teddy. And then that little boy is the last one available. We went ahead and let Summer join in on this too, because, well, she's here for 2 weeks of training. And then Flurry, who's going to be Gemma, is here as well. They just got baths and blow dried, got the pictures, and so now we just spend a few minutes while they're nice, fluffy, and clean to play with the kiddos. It's a nice little experience for them anyhow. So Flurry's new name is Gemma. Mm-hmm. Kenny, you want to hold Summer? Grab her.
This one's Teddy?
Nope. That one's Snow. Yep.
Snow.
Correct. And Snow is the last one who's looking for a home. Obviously, you can see that tail. Super happy boy.
This one's not sad.
No, he is not sad.
Bird.
Oh. Gemma just wants to cuddle up, huh?
Get Summer.
She being cute, huh?
I love Snow. I love you too.
Oh, yeah? Are you going to let him go and walk around, Lyman?
I like Bear Bear.
You like Teddy?
Aww. Lyman, let Teddy go. Here's Gemini.
Please be careful. Don't be flinging your legs over the top of her, Kenny.
Teddy go.
Oop, do not drop them. Oh my gosh. Life flashed before my eyes. They're obviously docile, as you can see Lyman holding them. You be a little social butterfly, Gemma.
Teddy, buddy.
Are they playing Ring Around the Rosie with you guys?
Yeah.
You go from one to another.
I think this one likes my finger.
Oh, she's ready for a chew toy, huh? Don't let her chew your finger, okay? Or you don't want to encourage that. Because if she thought if you were a baby and she chewed, that got hurt. Uh-oh. Here she goes. No, Lyman.
Escape artist. You got an escape artist.
I like how they just kind of prance at this age as they walk. Just do, 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 do. Hey, be gentle, guys. No fighting over something silly. Gemma's gonna get your toe. You be gentle.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. At least I'm wearing shoes. Gemma. Oh, bear. No. Snow.
Let's not offer them your toes, Lyman. Thank you.
He's like,
Give her a toy to play with. She wants to play. Let her play with the toy. That way she knows what's good to play with and what she shouldn't play with.
I love Gemma. Love Gemma. Buddy, Here we go. Yeah. You're playing tug of war. It's a rough house. Teddy, you're playing tug of war.
So is Lyman.
I'm playing tug of war.
Oh, she thinks she's tough, doesn't she?
Tug of war. Tug of war.
Like, how is Mr. Snow not got a family yet?
The toy's there.
He is adorable.
It's okay, Gemma.
Yeah, she wants to play too.
Oh, look at it. I didn't get a one. It took the toy away from me. Kenny, keep your hand loose.
Oh, he likes that, doesn't he, Kenny Lick?
This guy likes it too. Kenny.
Lyman, you're blocking all the puppies. We can't see them. Thank you.
Kenny. Puppy. Kenny. Puppy. Lemon. Come get it. Mom, which one's Bear? Which one's Bear?
Which one's Teddy? Teddy bears? That's him right here. That's Teddy.
Hey, Teddy. Hey, Teddy. Hey, Teddy.
Hey,
Oh,
Mom, look at
what?
the snow.
Is he being cute?
No,
Lyman, you got to move out of the way a little bit. Thank you.
Hey, Teddy. Teddy.
Let's not jump over puppies.
No.
It's like I have to say the same things a million times. I love when they listen to me so well. Was she going to follow you? We actually have an Aussie that's getting her DNA done, so she's got to be separated for an hour.
Mom, this stuff is actually kind of no puppy.
Did Teddy get it?
Yeah.
I want it. No. You want it?
Take the toy. Take the toy, puppy. Take the toy. Take the toy.
No.
Buy the toy, not me.
No, okay. I don't want that fight. I don't want that fight.
Oh, that's the bigger black one, Teddy.
Here's one that you get.
I don't want that fight.
Here's
The one that plays tug of war, not
This
fights.
one.
Yep, it's Teddy. Niles got him.
I want that.
Jam it, puppy girl. Jam it, puppy. Jamma.
Summer.
She's meeting and greeting over there.
She wants tug of war. She wants tug of war.
Puppy, let's go. Puppy. I got two. I'm trying to make puppies come to me.
Yeah, let's go,
So
puppy.
do this then. Nope. Yeah. That's puppy.
Oh. Niall, can you grab that Aussie and give her to Dad? That way she's got some company. That one's going to be Marigold. Pliers' new name is going to be Marigold. A lot cuter name, huh? Your volume. Dad already warned you about your volume. Oh, I don't know where he went. I thought he was right here. Sorry.
Mom, do you see Flurry?
Thanks, bud.
Gemma.
Yep, Gemma. All right, let go of him. Let him run.
Oh, gee, you stole my
Yep.
toy.
Yeah.
You stole the toy. Gemma. Gemma. She got it now. Gemma's just like this. Blink, blink, blink. She's cute.
Be careful with your feet, Lyman. Did you get kisses on the nose, Kenny?
I don't like it. I got a kiss from the nose on Marigold.
Mmm.
She's like, ooh, get another pack. Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Oh, Teddy found another toy over there.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. Yes, you want it. Right, you, Teddy. Yeah. Flurry, can I have Flurry? I mean, Gemma.
Yeah, you're going to get the name, huh?
Yeah. Mom.
Yeah, she's being cute, huh?
Oh, gosh.
All right, Lyman, sit up.
Okay.
I don't want them biting your ears, okay?
Summer's just playing with this toy. Hey, no biting. She was about to bite me.
I'm glad she's not barking, though. That's good. Yep, make sure she knows it's the toy that's okay. Okay, not you. Lyman, you're in the way again.
Gemma wants me.
Oh, does she?
This one wants me.
Sit up, please. If I have to say it again, you're going to be excused from playing, okay?
Monty stole it from me. The other side.
I'm going to go, no.
Yeah. You want Gemma? Gemma just wants me to go. Oh, no, not never. Not never.
They're socializing pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
You think they're afraid of you guys?
No, Valen is.
I think he really wants you just to hold him. He says, I would like to be a cuddle buddy. Somebody want to cuddle with me?
Even Flurry. Well, like you go around. This one likes me.
Yeah, she hasn't had a buddy in her pen with her for a while, so she is dying to play.
Yeah.
I think that's why she's being a little extra right now. It's just she just hasn't had somebody in her pen to play with her.
Well, also Joy was.
Joy was in there for a little bit, huh? But she's a bit bigger than Joy, so she doesn't play as much as she plays. All right. Well, since we're all just holding puppies now, probably should let everybody go. Thanks for your time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that.
Hey, this one does